Hi everyone, welcome to our fourth and final week. So in this module 4, we will focus basically on our final project that you must have already started. We have already gone through the mock interviews, you have already collected the data from all the other papers and or what is your profession, what is the importance of your profession. So what is required now? In this week, I would like you, all the students, to compile all the material, to compile all the pieces, and then you are supposed to bring them up together with a title page that has a running head and then an abstract and the section headings. Now you have to take care of everything, but using the APA manual, that would be really helpful towards the compiling and putting up all the pieces together. So for the title page is really very tricky because you have to put up the running head on the title page. But don't forget that the running head on the title page is pretty different from the other pages. So you are supposed to watch the video that actually demonstrate each and everything about the title page. How long should be the title page? What should be there on the title page? How many words are required for the running head, and then the abstract, and then the sections, and then the headings. So the video will help you to learn how to write the cover or the title page with all the details, and what is the difference for the running head for the cover page paper or the cover page, and for the rest of the paper. And then you are supposed to submit your final project that includes your career choice, the importance of your profession in the current age, why have you decided to go for this career, what was your experience about the mock interview, and for everything I would like you to consider and at least five or at least three references you need to add into your reference list. And don't forget to follow the APA guidelines and keeping in view that how to write the first paragraph, that is the don't forget to include each and everything, that how to write the introductory paragraph, what is the body, what is the conclusion. So I would like to bring up a good final project, keeping in view all the things we have already done in the previous weeks. If you have any other questions, any concerns, feel free to call me, text me, or email me. And have a nice and great weekend. Thank you.